Oh, he's serious. Did you know he was serious?
Oh, man, give her back.
Oh, her? You mind?
This message is being broadcasted by NASA. People in New York City, lock your doors and take cover immediately. There are strange meteors falling into the water. Please stay tuned to media outlets for more information. This message is being broadcasted by the United States Observatory. The meteor had created living cells in the ocean, but we don't know how the meteor created the life of the cells. Please stay tuned for media outlets for more information.
Great bouncing balloons! Whoopsie's floating away!
Oh no! My little buddy's in trouble!
This message is being broadcasted by the United States Observatory. The cells are evolving into creatures. This situation is starting to get weird. We don't know one of these creatures, but we know some cells like Pinky, Minnow, Ducky, Puffish, Nosy, Shister, and Ma. Please stay tuned for media outlets for more information. Please call this number shown. This message is being broadcasted by the United States Observatory, Moxis and Electronic Arts. We know some of the creatures' names like Tubble, Porku, Porstatly, Rock, Tater, Ayug, Achu, Alpotska, and Miji. You can only approach herbivores and some nice omnivores. You cannot approach carnivores and mean omnivores or else you will face certain death. If you see one of the mean omnivores or carnivores, call 911 instantly and take shelter. Please stay tuned for media outlets for more information.
Now I just have to put a stamp on it. Whoops! I'll try again. Wow, these stamps are sticky. This time I'll be really careful. Where did it go? Do you see it? Oh. Uh-oh.
This message is being broadcasted by the New York police. A weird zipper kind of creature named Grox is killing people, killing herbivores and some nice omnivores, stealing people's cars, robbing banks, and abducting children. Grox has a known history of hating the universe. He is also killing children and turning them into zippers. This is very dangerous. Please stay tuned to media outlets for more information.
Guys, don't listen to him. He is lying. This is not a dangerous place. I am now a good person. All the carnivores are good persons. And the mean ones, which is the omnivores, well, they are good now. And also, we will be having burgers and fries, shakes, and sodas for sale, for free, and you can have them. We are also giving away free PlayStation 5s, and you can be happy if you want. So come out, you won't face certain death. I dare you, you won't face certain death. Kids, don't listen to him. End of message.
Recognize the importance of this undertaking, but whether or not you do remains to be seen. Now, if you don't mind, I would like to get back to it.
This message is being broadcasted by the Herbivore Republic. Good news! The Grox is finally defeated. The world will never come on an end. Hooray! Please stay tuned for media outlets for more information.
Since our voiceman was killed by the Grox, this message is being broadcasted by Maxis and Electronic Arts. The creatures are planning to start a tribe. And the creatures have tools like medical equipment, hooks, spears, torches, and musical instruments. Remember what he said, only go to nice herbivores and omnivores, not carnivores and mean omnivores, or else you will face certain death. Please stay tuned to media outlets for more information. This message is being broadcasted by Maxis and Electronic Arts. The creatures are starting a civilization. This is horrible. If they get into space stage, they could destroy Earth. We have to stop them by building fighter jets. Please stay tuned to media outlets for more information. This message is being broadcasted by the U.S. Navy SEALs. This is it. We failed. Our planes were destroyed by one of the cities. This is our final moments on Earth. They reached to the space stage. Please stand by our final playing on our national anthem.
Advertencia, las criaturas están destruyendo el planeta Tierra. Esta criatura llamada Tubble está destruyendo nuestro planeta. Por favor, esperen nuestra interpretación final de nuestro himno nacional.
Los hijos del pueblo español, que vuelve a resurgir. Gloria a la patria que supo seguir sobre el azul del mar el caminar del sol. Gloria a la patria que supo seguir sobre el azul del mar el caminar del sol. Triunfa España, los yunques y las ruedas cantan al compás del himno de la fe. Los yunques y las ruedas cantan al compás del himno de la fe. Juntos con ellos cantemos de pie la vida nueva y fuerte de trabajo y paz. Juntos con ellos cantemos de pie la vida nueva y fuerte de trabajo y paz. ¡Viva España! ¡Alzad los brazos, hijos del pueblo español! Los hijos del pueblo español que vuelve a resurgir. Gloria a la patria que supo seguir sobre el azul del mar el caminar del sol. Gloria a la patria que supo seguir sobre el azul del mar el caminar del sol.
Please listen. There are serious reports of a Tubble destroying planet Earth. This creature named Tubble was from Spore. The creature is destroying our planet. This is very dangerous. It's our final moments on Earth. Please stay tuned for our final playing of our national anthem.
Nuke incoming!